two schools. I don't know. Can we also invite our sister school? Yes, our principal, Igonga Primary and Igonga Junior Secondary, kindly welcome, and with that you will welcome all the teachers. So also salute. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Your Excellency, First Lady, all protocol observed, ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. Good afternoon again. And actually we are a feeder school, a school that has made proud. And as I'm talking to you, Your Excellency, we equally share similar challenges, just like our friends have said: lack of water, lack of sanitary facilities, learning equipment among others. And we ask you, Your Excellency, to find time, visit us, so that you can interact with us. Thank you very much. I want to welcome all the teachers who are here in this function, and I want to start from teachers who came from Igonga Junior Secondary and Primary. Wherever you are, kindly stand up. Kindly stand up. Stand up. Your Excellency, we are 20 number, and just salute, just salute, just salute. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. So, Chairman, Board of Management, Igonga JSS, kindly Chairman, salute from that far end. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. And I've been asked equally to introduce staff of our Igonga Secondary School. Wherever you are, staff Igonga Secondary School, stand up kindly. Igonga Secondary School staff, kind salute. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. It's a honor hosting you, Your Excellency, and please welcome to Igonga. Karibu sana.
Thank you very much. Let me take this opportunity to welcome everybody here. This is my ward, Umariwa ward for that matter. We have come here with the first ready for a purpose, especially the candidates of both primary and secondary. So, I don't know, the Igonga secondary paternity, can you harassing to time, you would have given boys even one slight song. I think this is a mess. Where are these boys? Just one verse. Where are they? Amuko naye vijana kuchapa kidogo tu. Very fast. Very fast. Sasa mnawacha nje itakuwaje? It might not be known that kuna vijana wanaweza cheza. Kidogo tu fast moja hivi. We are rushing to somewhere. Very fast, very fast, very fast. Very fast. Vijana kuja haraka. Kama nyinyi ndio mnahusika haraka. Mwalimu, tutamkia haraka. Very fast. Ya, toa kitu hapo. Toa kitu kiasi. Toa kitu. Ala.
Asante sana, tunashukuru. That is a nice presentation. Thank you very much. Thank you. We'll finish there. Thank you.
Sawa vijana. Mpaka ratibu yake. Ntwala jakuba siekera. Asante sana. Kwa sababu tuna shughuli chungu mzima leo. Hatujui kama tutakamilisha, lakini tutajaribu kiasi. Kwa sababu ya hiyo sitaki kuongeza mambo mengi. Nimeona chifu wangu hapa, neno moja tu. Arabu tuende shughuli zingine. Karibu.
Thank you so much. The guest of honor, Your Excellency the First Lady, Kis County, all protocol observed. Good afternoon. Ni nini mbaya kwa hii? Yes. I want to take this opportunity to welcome each and every one of you, especially Mama County, the way the MCA or Honorable Nsombi has just put it. I'm the area chief. It happens that I'm the old boy here. I learned here. Therefore, I'm very proud. This is my own home. Because the national government work closely with the county government. That's why I heard you are here and came to receive you in my own home. I was away with the Deputy County Commissioner preparing for Masuja on Friday. I welcome you to that field, Iterio Secondary School. Otherwise, without much ado, I appreciate your coming. Thank you.
Okay, because of time, actually we are asking to assemble by Sanane na nusu. We must be there. There is an urgent issue we must attend. That is why we are rushing time. So you forgive us for any inconvenience may be caused. I want to call the elected MCAs who are here for a word or so. Can you just come? Mr. Richmond. Okay. Mr. Richmond, can you come along? Chorus. These are my chorus. No monjari, I know my parent.
Thank you very much, Honorable Teresa, Member of County Assembly and the former Chief of Mariba Ward, Your Excellency, the First Lady, and all honorable members who have joined you, the teachers of this school, secondary and primary, pamoja na wanafunzi, pamoja na chief, na wasalimu mjambo. Ebu nione kama amuko sawa sawa. Asante sana. My name is Victor Ombasa, Member of County Assembly, Diana Ward. Tunapakana na Bumariba Atinyebieyo. Hata Nyamatutu. Huyu Teresa ni rafiki hapo. Nimesema niungane na yeye. First Lady, thank you very much for coming to Bonchari. Umefanya vizuri sana. Na when the First Lady is here, mtu ambaye ako hapa ni Simba Arati. Ukweli uongo? Si ni ukweli? Mko na furaha kuona Simba Arati hapa? Tuko na furaha sana. So, thank you very much, Mheshimiwa, the First Lady, Mama May. Kumalizia, the Standard 8s and Form 4s are sitting for your exams this very soon. Na watakia kila laheri ili mupite mtihani huo. Na wale ambao fika Form 4, I have this message that I tell students whenever I meet them. If you want to get an A in Form 4, begin reading hard in Form 1. If you want to get a B in Form 4, begin reading hard in Form 2. If you want to get a C in Form 4, begin reading hard in Form 3. And if you want to get a D in Form 4, begin reading hard in Form 4. Sawa sawa? Wewe ndio sasa hili chaguo lako. Kabla sijakaa, my wife is here. Please rise and wave. Beatrice, lady baby yangu, thank you so much also for coming.
Sawa, tunaenda hivyo tu. Lakini mchangamuke nyinyi. Nyinyi changamuka nyinyi. Hebu nione. Nyinyi. Amuta toka njaa, yani amuoni hata dalili. Sasa nyinyi vingi bwana.
Wanafunzi wa mjambo. Mimi napendanga kuongea maneno mengi sababu ya hali ya anga na kwa sababu kuna shughuli mahali tunastahili kukimbia. Takuwa mfupi. Kwa majina yangu najulikana kama Manane Richmond Ayori. Mimi ni hapa Bogeka Pandei. Tunapakana tu hapa Matongo. Kwa hivyo tumekuja hapa, tumetumwa na gavana tuwatakie kila la heri mnapofanya mtihani ili muweze kupita. Kwa hiyo Mheshimiwa retired chief ni mtu muungwana, saidiana na yeye kwa kazi, lakini wewe hii shule ni shule yako. Hii maneno na mara madarasa ya ACD, wewe weka pesa bwana. Si uko na pesa? Weka pesa hapa. Weka maji hapa. Hiyo tusiulize wewe vitu vingine. Pesa. Yeye ndiye yako na pesa. Yeye wacha apanga hapa. Asante sana. Mungu awabariki.
Amesema vizuri. Lakini wacha niulize nyinyi. Hii shule naipenda. Ila tu labda mjaambiwa juzi, sijui kama hiyo vitu vimefika hapa. Juzi tumepeana fruits seedlings kwa shule moja tu kwa kila wote. Nilipeana wapi? Si iko hapa. Sasa namna gani jamani? Kwa hiyo safari inaendelea. Hata tangi nitaleta hivi karibuni. Wachana tu, tunapangana pole. Lakini mambo ya kisima hiyo ni national government. Tusemane ukweli. That is the work of the MP. Lakini kuna mahali vingine tutatafuta pole. Ninajua mko na shida kubwa sana ya maji hapo. Wakazi wa kiangazi naona mkiteremuka ile spring niliunda huko chini, mnaenda kuchota maji huko. Sio vizuri. Kwa hivyo sitaki kuchukua muda na hali ya anga inaonekana sio nzuri vile. Saa hizi sina shughuli ila tu kualika mgeni wetu wa heshima. Anaitwa kwa na mkimwona hapa huyo ni gaba Ibani letaye kumuleka
Hi. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Hi. How are you today? I want to first introduce the nominated MCs who are with me here. And because of time, I'm only going to speak out your names. And allow me to do that. This is Honorable Daimaris, Mheshimiwa Rabera, Mheshimiwa Sanaya, Mheshimiwa Niams, Mheshimiwa Isabella, Mheshimiwa Gaudensha, Mheshimiwa Grace, Mheshimiwa Brenda, Mheshimiwa Ege, Mheshimiwa Ninian, Mheshimiwa Evanin, Mheshimiwa Brenda, Mheshimiwa Ruth, and Mheshimiwa Vanis. I brought you only beautiful ladies who are single. But before that, I have Mheshimiwa Michael Omari, who present divinity. Have you seen he's doing well? But he's sing, though he's not sing. Let him give you one sentence.
Thank you, Your Excellency. Your Excellency, the First Lady, all protocols observed. Good afternoon. I want to tell you that His Excellency the Governor loves education and loves candidates. That's why he's managed to send the First Lady here to wish you the best of luck as you approach your exams. My name is Honorable Michael Moseto Mari. I work in the Kisii County Assembly representing persons with disability. Thank you so much, and God bless as you approach your exams. Thank you.
And I want to take 1 minute to introduce my brother-in-law, who is my bigger brother, who is the brother to the Governor Simba Arati. Because he's a teacher, let him speak for only 2 minutes.
Okay. Good afternoon. Good afternoon, students. Good afternoon, pupils, teachers. Yeah. Good afternoon, students. Good afternoon, pupils. Yes, I'm a teacher. I'm just teaching near here. Actually, in this zone, this is my zone, Igonga zone. And I'm teaching at the Bogota Primary. I'm an SNE teacher. Otherwise, I'm very happy. My sister, the way she has said, we are still supporting the pupils. I want to give you an task. Igonga zone, Igonga Secondary School. How many will get A's this year? Okay. Mwalimu, my friend, Nyaundi, I promised, if you get 5 A's strong, I'll give a bull of 50,000. Let me come to our primary section. Wanamasagar, I've seen the principal. If I want to give you also a task, any pupils who will score 370 and above, I'll issue 5 shillings each, 5,000 each to every pupil. Asante, I don't have much because of time.
No, boy, wait. We were at Suneka, primary. You told them 360 and above 5,000. Why when you come here, you added the 10 marks?
I know the capability of Igonga's school. It is very tough, not like Suneka. I know this area.
They have made sure the wardrobe for my brother has been opened. My name is Kwamboka Simba. I'm the wife to Governor Simba Arati. How many of you here know Governor Simba Arati? Do you know him? I can't hear you. Do you know him? Yes. Thank you. He also knows of you here. This is why he has sent me here to come and wish all candidates success in your exams. As I'm going, because we are in a hurry. See, somebody promised a cow here. Where's that cow? Who promised? Who? No, this one is after exam. And the cow for today? Mheshimiwa Teresa. He has given me 20,000, but 5 for primary, 15 for secondary. Have you clapped with all your energies? No, I'm asking. Because this one is not enough for a cow. So when the cow arrives the school, you will clap more, isn't it? Let me continue. Mheshimiwa Wekta Ombasa, For information, Mheshimiwa Victor Mombasa is a chair of education. Do you know what is the chair of education in assembly? Do you understand it? How many of you get bursary? How many of you have gotten bursary from the county government, need by the Governor Simba Arati? You have gotten this year. Last year, did you get? Huh? No. In the last 5 years, did you get? Is Governor Simba not trying? But if you miss bursary, look for Mheshimiwa Victor Mombasa, because he is a chair of education. The chair of education has given me 3,000 for primary and 4,000 for secondary. Don't clap. Don't clap. Chair of a committee of education. This money is small. This money is small. How can he give me 7,000? Surely. Sindio. Hello. He has added me 1,000 for the primary and 2,000 for the secondary. Wait. So you have seen the wife. Now that governor has sent me here, so I have 20,000. Wait, I'm coming back. I have 30,000 for the secondary. Is it enough? No. It's very fast, no? Yes. This one is half of the cow. Hold this one for the primary first. Let me go back. Whom do I look for? Chief. Please. Any chief. No. Any chief, you are the student here. Let us wait. He's a visitor. Mheshimiwa now is checking his M-Pesa. We can even ask him to funiza.
Okay. Ambuana. This is my area. I've got 35,000.
So he's saying he has added 5,000 but through M-Pesa. We don't want M-Pesa. Let him send to my number. I get for him cash. Give me 5,000. So I have now 35. Let me make it to 40 so that I can give you the one for governor. So you're patient. I go back to Wanim, the chair. Because he had just added for primary, he did not add for secondary. He had added me 1,000, surely. It's 1,000 something. So he should add. name, please add for something. At least double digits. Add as double digits. This is 1,000. No, let him add. I will go to Mheshimiwa Richmond. Now, he has added me 2,000. Imagine he has added me only 2,000, and I've received 1,000 from my driver and my DJ and the cameraman there. Surely, this fare from MC of 1,000, 2,000, and the cameraman has given 1,000. Mheshimiwa, please pull up your socks. Pull up your socks. Mheshimiwa Tamaris has added me 1,000. Mheshimiwa Richmond, don't run. Wait, Rogers, sit down. Richmond. Mheshimiwa Richmond has added me another 2,000. I think I've reached to 240. I can't. I don't count. I continue. But I'm seeing their buckets are dry. Let us count fast.
Hapo. His Excellency Arati.
I have 20,000 for the primary and 41,000 for the secondary. Now at least the cow has arrived at Bonchari. Let me now give you the rice from Governor. I have 30,000 here from Governor Simba Arati. 10,000 for the primary and 20,000 for the secondary. So now I have 30,000 for the primary and 61,000 for the secondary. The head teacher and the principal, please come. And this money is not for the teachers, it's for your cow. Make sure you ask your teacher to buy you a cow. See, it's good, Governor went to China and bring me here. The young boys, don't look for a girlfriend now. Leave those girls alone. Let them go to university, so when you finish, you start looking for the beautiful ones. Even from China, isn't it? Now if you go to China and collect all the ladies here, who are those men married? You will send the ladies there also. Okay. Now I'm here to give you the gifts Governor has brought. For the candidates, every person will get a domestic set. Also for the girls candidates, you will get 2 packs of sanitary pads. And every person will get a success card from Governor Simba Arati. Can you give me those cards? You want to hide them? Do you like them? Yeah. You see this photo is very handsome. So have good eyes. For the young ones, Governor has brought you soda na mukate. Before you wait for your cow to be mature and eat it. Now I want to end my speech here. I hand over these things to your head teacher and the principal because of time. But when you go home, please say hi to your parents. Tell them Governor Simba Arati has said hi. Are you going to do that? Yeah. How many of you are going to do that? Thank you and God bless you.
Microphone kwa ase wodi ya Mumariba yotukanye county ya Kisii no twekire ase tukondarero ase semo yokuganira abana bagresi ya gatano gatatu abana ba grade 6 wana form for success bro ase first lady no mugavana wa county ya Kisii ndiranga igonga high school osegonga boys is the first school ya bamura twabire tuwika ase tukondarero gesa exercise kiga gechaka kurenda siboniga nigo tokwira break wika chinsa kira mcs barure chinsa muti assembly kero tukubere mase mo asali tukuendelea ku issue success kwa candidates kuri asumu governor by county ya Kisii Muske Paul Simba Arati unabotame nchini kwa nkuru kunito Dennis kwa sababu tunangari ku kuri kuntu and behind the camera is Alfred Musa watu na mtu kwa somo elio bye bye tomerane